Hi, my name is Abdul and I'm going to lead you for this particular course, and together we are going to walk through everything together from the most basic to the most advanced tactics available to you within DaVinci Resolve. In this course, we are going to start with the basics, which are mainly for beginners in video editing and DaVinci Resolve. But as we go through the course, we will get into more and more advanced techniques. Let's assume you complete this course at 100%. What will you be able to do? Most definitely use DaVinci Resolve very efficiently. Edit using professional techniques, achieve color correction, color grading, works with visual effects and motion graphics. As a result, you will be producing the high quality videos. Let's see how we'll go about this. First, we will go through the workflow in DaVinci Resolve, and I will get you a bit familiar with the Resolve interface. Next, you will learn quick and easy video editing. It's an excellent skill for you to build for social media videos, advertising, and quick turnaround jobs. We will move on with more advancing editing. You will learn many editing techniques from insert to swap and to fine edit your clips to a frame at a time. You will have the opportunity here to create your own editing style with the techniques you feel most comfortable with. We will cover all about transition, how to add graphics, lower third titles, and the more advanced fusion titles, as well as how to work with audio to add dialogue and music. You will also learn how to apply and customize the Resolve effects. We will explore several effects for you to master the concept. You will also learn about creating fast and slow motion and even stop motion just playing with the clip speed. And I'm very sure you will have lots of fun retiming your clips with speed graphs. We will dive into color correction. You will learn how to achieve perfect color correction, and I'll show you all the tips and tricks that will make color correction easy for you. I can assure you that you will gain thorough understanding on how to work with the color correction tools such as the scopes, RGB qualifiers, power windows, tracking, the keys, resizing, and all the rest. Within color correction, we will go through how to work with all kinds of nodes. Understanding and learning how to work with nodes will make color correction and color grading much easier for you. You will learn how to color grade complete projects. I will show you how to use a built-in grading preset and the techniques to create your own color grading style. I promise you, by the end of this course, you will be editing video like a pro and color grading like a colorist. So, go ahead, enroll now and start learning all about DaVinci Resolve and video editing. So guys, what are you waiting for? Enroll now.